What did you do yesterday?
I played basketball and studied English yesterday.
Wow. Did you win the game?
Yes, we did.
Who did you play with at the park?
I played with my cousin.
Cool. Did you have fun?
Of course, I love basketball.
Let's play again this weekend.
Sure.
Did he watch a movie last night?
Yes, he did. He watched a funny movie.
What did you do last night?
I cleaned my room. Finally.
Really? Good job.
After that, I danced to music.
Did you dance alone?
No, I danced with my little brother.
That's cute.
It was fun.
What did you do last Friday?
I had a cooking class.
Cool. What did you cook?
We cooked fried rice and made mango juice.
Yum! Did you eat them all?
No, I shared them with my friends.
That's so nice of you.
Thanks.
I want to join next time.
Come with me.
Did your dad buy anything last month?
Yes, he did. He bought a new bicycle.
Wow, did he ride it to work?
No, he just rides it on the weekends.
That sounds fun.
Yes, we went to the park last weekend.
Did you ride fast?
Super fast.
I want to try it too.
Let's go together next time.